Welcome back guys. In today's video we'll see how to create this cute container in which you can store your pencils, pens or even brushes, and it's made out of Pringles containers. First off, you're going to take Pringles container, the length for which is approximately 23 centimeters. The upper portion is around 6 centimeters. I've roughly marked 6 centimeters from the top to make the lid, and the bottom will be around 17 centimeters. I'm going to decorate it with some foam sheets. So the yellow foam sheet is around 15 centimeters and the black one is 8 centimeters. And for the yellow sheet I've just doodled some art work on it. The black one is a glitter one and I've covered it with some clear tape. Now let's create the upper portion of the lid. So we're going to trace the circular part using the Pringles container, cut it out, and then gonna clear. Then we're gonna just cut it out and cover it with some clear tape as well. Now we are going to cover the yellow foam sheet with clear tape as well, like so. There it is. Now the only remaining part is that we're going to attach all the stuff after cutting the Pringles container into two parts, like so. The yellow sheet goes to the bottom and I'm going to attach it with the help of some hot glue using a hot glue gun. You can also use any super glue that you have. There it is. For the upper portion we are going to attach the black sheet that we cut and covered it with some clear tape, both the parts together, and there is how it looks. So now the lower portion fits into the upper portion and you don't need any other accessories to connect the both parts. Now for the part that's visible, we're going to take some acrylic glue. I'm taking in the shade Pearl. I'm going to paint it with the help of a flat brush. I'm going to apply around 2 coats of this paint so that the bottom portion is not visible. There it is. That's how the product looks. You can store whatever you want in it. I hope you liked the video guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Love you. Bye bye.